Alrighty, the new signals are in and active here at Nebraska Street on the IAIS Blue Island Sub in Bureau, Illinois. As you can see, we got two new WCH signals here. The third signal that used to be over there is now completely gone. They did not provide a replacement for that, which I pretty much expected. So these signals are pretty typical of the new installs that Iowa Interstate's been doing through here. Starting on the bottom, we got a single-sided progress rail base. Here's the emergency information. Again, dot number is 863-542S. Got 12 by 24 inch WCH flatback frames with GE uniform look LEDs inside of them. Got a GSI gate saver, which has been unusual because the other Iowa Interstate installs have had one-way NEG gate savers. So I'm not sure why they use GSI here. Got a WCH style 4 gate mechanism. Side view lights with a WCH junction box. And then the best part about all these new Iowa Interstate installs is they all have third generation WCH mechanical bells. Yep, Iowa Interstate has gone back to mechanical bells officially, which has been amazing to see. This is now at least 10 crossings that they've installed with brand new mechanical bells. Some of them even going back from e-bells to mechanical bells. In LaSalle, Peru, and one of the crossings out in Mineral, they got new signals recently. Here's the back view of the lights. This gate has a newer striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. And there's a back view of the western signal. The only real weird thing I've seen with these new installs is they've gone back to using single-sided crossbucks. The next crossing west of here is double-sided ones, which Iowa Interstate was using for a little while. But now they've gone back to the single-sided ones. Not sure why they did that. But here's the new relay bungalow in the southeast quadrant. This is where the old one was before. They did this pretty recently. I think it was last year, about 2 weeks ago. And the old signals were still here. So yeah, made pretty quick work on this one once they got going. As of right now, the old signals are still in Tuskilwa. I still need to go over to Depew and check and see if they got the new signals there, but I'm willing to bet they probably have at this point. So we'll check on that next after I'm done here. Here's Novi now looking west to get a look here at the new eastern signal. Again, same thing. We got a single-sided progress rail base. GSI gate saver on the gate mechanism. 12 by 24 inch WCH flatback frames with GE uniform look LEDs. And this one also has side lights, which the old signal here did not, so this is a bit of an upgrade for this crossing. Here's the dot tag again. I wonder why they go with these plain looking dot tags. I wish they would have kept using the style they were using before. But I'm glad they at least place them in a reasonable spot, unlike many of the other crossings on the Iowa Interstate. Side view of the lights. This also has a WCH style 4 gate mechanism. Back view of the lights. This gate also has indoor striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. I'm also kind of surprised that they haven't been doing double bell installs. I know they were for a little while, but it seems like they've stopped doing that as well. Anything to do with double, they seem to have stopped doing for some reason. And here's a back view of the eastern signal. So with this one done, they now have 10 of the crossings that they had new schedules signaled for done out of, I think, the 19. Like I said, I still need to go check Depew, so it could be up to 12 now. But anyways, this has been the update to Nebraska Street. Rest in peace, gateless signal.